Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use public laundry machines. Start by finding an available machine and noting the load size and price, then separate darks, lights, and delicates into appropriate cycles, check all pockets, and close zippers. Keep detergent and change ready, and read the machine labels for temperature and cycle options. Follow these steps to avoid common mistakes and get clean clothes efficiently. Measure detergent carefully and choose the right cycle for the fabric and soil level. Add detergent to the machine compartment or directly into the drum as directed, and include fabric softener if desired. Distribute clothing evenly to prevent imbalance, and avoid packing bulky items together without smaller items to balance the load. Keep an eye on cycle length and be ready to move clothes promptly when finished. In this video, I will show how to use public laundry machines. Quick recommendation: if you wait between cycles, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable reading and bright sunlight visibility. It pairs well with laundry downtime and short waits. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm the payment method and choose the cycle that matches fabric care labels. Start with a short spin or rinse if unsure, and use warm water for mixed loads when safe. Monitor the machine for error codes or unusual sounds, and retrieve clothes promptly to prevent mildew. For efficiency, run full loads and use dryer sensors when available to save time and energy while protecting garments from excessive heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.